Hello. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. So today is our first day of fall weddings. This is our outfit of the day. I have my Doc Marten platforms on. I have some Express pants, and then I still have my Walmart bodysuit. Yeah, today is a freelance day, so we are going to the beaches, and I'm really excited. And it is 4:52, so we have to grab some gas real quick, and then we're gonna go. So let's go, guys. It's pretty dark right now. I really hope I don't smell like food, or maybe it's my car. I don't know. But yeah, we are 2 hours away from our destination. It's pretty dark. But yeah, I gotta be there by 7. It is almost 5 o'clock. So I'm kind of pushing it, but 7 o'clock is our arrival time. From 7 to 7:20 is our arrival time to get there and set up. So it's good. We're good. I typically get there like 30 minutes early, 15 to 30, but it's so far away and I have 2 kids right now. There's no way I could get out of there sooner than what I did right now. So yeah, I made my cup of coffee, gonna pump some gas. I do have the mileage to get there. I actually have it round and back, but just wanna be safe. So I guess I will see you guys on the road. Not these stairs. Okay. These stairs are going to be the bane of my existence today. Okay. Because I like doing food making, but it gives me more like see, so I try to like gain myself. How you're working. So it's pretty cool. I didn't realize we're into the drive, and I'm scared I'll miss my exit. And
Yeah.
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 Perfect. Alright. No, everyone was like, Caitlin was like, I'm gonna work on this, you know, and I was like, oh no, like that.
Is the same person that gets that type of fake noise too?
Yeah.
I I know we switched up the hairstyle a little bit.
Yes.
Style. How are we feeling?
There it is. Yeah, guys. So, today was a day. I have seen so many flights. Today, it was 2 steps, actually 2.5 to get to the door, and then 2 more to get to my area. I completed 8 styles today. My timeline was to be set and done at 12:50. I was actually done by 12:41, and I actually had to redo a forehead, and we did lips last. I was actually timing myself for 35 minutes on my watch to give myself the 5 minutes. There are some people where I took like 50 minutes, and there are some people where I took 30 minutes. I think I did someone in 20. Yeah, super fast. Glam was a team of 3. I'm exhausted, it's humid, and yeah, I'm ready to go home. It is 1:02. We're gonna hop in this car, find a bathroom at a gas station, and have a celebratory Coke Zero. So that's all my might, because I refuse to unpack this bag. Oh, golly. Oh, my phone. Glad I fell in here and not over there. Okay. So yeah, get there. I live about an hour. No, I actually live 2 hours away. So I gotta get going. I gotta get my chair in. Everything is dirty. My hands are still dirty. I washed all my hands in between everyone. But I wasn't able to wash my hands to get in here. So yeah, we have makeup on our beautiful tattoo, but it's fine. It's work. Whew. I did use my Doc Martens today, and I don't know why, but they are my work bridal shoe, just because people are much taller than me, and when I do makeup, I just like to be taller than people. Typically when I do hair, I use my shortest chair. Yeah, but I think I got a blister on my big toe. But we'll check that out later. So yeah, I will see you guys later. And if I'm able to get a few, shots, I'll show you guys. So bye. You guys, I thought I was recording, and I ASMR'd the opening of this Coke Zero. Yeah. Here it is. Not as good, but yeah, guys. So, I will see you guys next time. And thank you guys for watching my vlog and following me on this journey. And yeah, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye.